So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So in this video I will teach you how can you fix your sound problems in your Instagram Reels stories. So here we go. At first you have to go in your Instagram, and after going in Instagram you have to search for one Reels, and you have to click just in that Reels and in the down. So guys, in the down I hope that you can see this, it's with music. So you have to click here, and after clicking here, you have to go for use sound. Okay guys, you have to go for use sound. You have to go for use sound. So after going and use sound, so you have to go for you just have to make this. You have to just tap this and just keeping and just hold it. So after completing this, your reel is going to be complete, and your sound it will doesn't affect anything. So it will be everything fine, and your reels voice also be gonna be clear. So guys, this how you have to do in your Instagram reels problem fix. Okay guys, and thanks for watching this video, and if you really like, hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe this channel.